The Dyson Outsize Origin cordless vacuum is a game-changer for households that demand high performance and efficiency. Its powerful suction, driven by Dyson's advanced motor, ensures it picks up everything from fine dust to large debris with ease. The oversized bin, which holds significantly more than standard models, means fewer interruptions for emptying during cleaning sessions. Its 3 cleaning modes, Eco for extended runtime, Auto for balanced power, and Boost for tough messes, offer versatility for any cleaning scenario. The vacuum's wide cleaning head allows for faster coverage of large areas, while the dynamic auto mode adjusts suction automatically depending on the surface, transitioning seamlessly between carpets and hard floors. The LCD screen is a thoughtful feature, displaying battery life and maintenance alerts. Despite its slightly heavier design due to the larger bin and motor, the vacuum remains easy to maneuver for floor cleaning, though prolonged use on elevated surfaces might be tiring. With its robust features, long-lasting battery, and superior cleaning capabilities, the Dyson Outsize Origin is an excellent choice for pet owners and those with larger homes. It combines convenience and performance to make cleaning more efficient and enjoyable. Discounted links in the description.